Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you're probably excited about securing your assets. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer XRP from Coinbase to your Ledger Nano S. This guide is tailored for 2025, but the steps are straightforward and timeless. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do this safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Coinbase account with XRP in it, a Ledger Nano S device, and the Ledger Live app installed on your computer. If you haven't already, update your Ledger firmware and install the XRP app on your device. This is crucial for compatibility and security. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano S to your computer and open the XRP app on the device. You'll see your XRP wallet address displayed. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes. Copy this address. It's your destination for the transfer. Next, log into your Coinbase account. Go to the XRP section in your portfolio and click on Send or Withdraw. Paste the wallet address from your ledger into the recipient field. Don't forget, XRP requires a destination tag if your Ledger wallet has one. Check for that in Ledger Live to ensure your funds go to the right place. Now, enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, double-check everything, and hit Confirm. Coinbase might ask for two-factor authentication here, which is a good security layer. Once you approve, the transaction will process, typically within minutes, but it can take up to an hour depending on network congestion. After the transfer, verify it on your Ledger device and in Ledger Live. You should see your XRP balance update. Always keep an eye on fees. They can vary, so transferring larger amounts might save you money in the long run. And there you have it. Your XRP is now safely stored on your hardware wallet. Remember, crypto security is key, so never share your private keys and always use official apps. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. What's your next crypto move? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.